Hey, I'm Alex with Microsoft, and this is the Surface Laptop 5, the latest laptop now built on the Intel Evo platform. It's elegant, ultra-thin, and blazing fast. The first thing you notice about the Surface Laptop 5 is how sleek and slim the entire device is. It looks and feels sophisticated. There's no screws, grills, or vents in sight. The Omnisonic speakers are tucked underneath the keyboard, and it's so well balanced, it opens with just one finger. Around the side, you have the ports you'd expect, USB Type-A, as well as the Surface Connect port, and the 3.5mm headphone jack. But we've added something new with USB-C, now with Thunderbolt. The screen, well, you have two screen size options, and if you're looking for a device that's slim and lightweight, you'll want to stick with a 13.5-inch screen. If your passions or work could benefit from a larger screen and the multitasking boost that brings, the 15-inch is right for you. Both options feature a beautiful PixelSense touchscreen display, now with Dolby Vision, for a great entertainment experience and a balance of brightness and contrast to better enjoy every subtle detail. The Surface Laptop line has always stood out with vibrant color options and materials that you really don't see anywhere else. Now with 4 premium color options, Platinum, Sandstone, Matte Black, and the new Sage color, all available, as well as Alcantara fabric-wrapped options on the 13.5-inch laptop and the cool metallic finish on the larger 15-inch model. Next, let's talk about the keyboard. It's a full-size keyboard that makes it easy to type quickly and accurately, all while maintaining exceptional comfort. The keys are backlit, have great travel and responsiveness, paired with a large, glass, gesture-enabled trackpad. Surface Laptop 5 is based on the Intel Evo platform. Powered by 12th generation Intel Core processors for more speed and multitasking power, they combine high-performance cores with power-efficient cores. That means getting things done while still enjoying great battery life. The Surface Laptop 5 is a powerful, sophisticated, and portable laptop that is all about giving you the most personalized experience. You pick the screen size, the finish, and the color that suits you. Then work the way you want on a device that feels great. Surface Laptop 5 is powerful enough to connect to multiple monitors and work in an office, while light enough to stow in your bag and take with you on the go. So, there you have it. This is the latest generation Surface Laptop 5, now with 12th gen Intel Core processors and the new Sage color.